Hi, my name is Fisher, and this is Fisher's Tool Corner. The main thing about this video is that we will put tools in my hands and I'll film to see what it is. This feels like, I don't really know, like something that screws bolts. Kind of like a battery to me, just not really. I feel like it is something that, I feel like it's green. It is a, I really don't know what this is. It really looks like it screw stuff in it. It also kind of looks like a battery. So when you put the battery in it, I'm gonna see when I put the battery in. Oh, it's a flashlight. It has a flashlight. So what does this thing do? I really don't know what this is. This handle? It's hard to pull. Oh boy, that is definitely a screwdriver. That is definitely a screwdriver. For sure it's a screwdriver. I didn't even know it was a screwdriver. Maybe it screws like, you know those circle bolts that have those square shapes in them? I feel like it screws those in where they're supposed to go. I feel like it. Oh, and whenever you push the thing, that turns. I'm hypnotizing you. And this was a screwdriver to me. And if you know what tool this was, please do it in the comments, please. And if you forgot, this is Fisher's Tool Corner. Bye!